say your baby mother said the only way you can see your son unless you break up with me.
Tell a boy don't ramp on my street quick.
All right. All right. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty, yeah, the berry, yeah, the juicy, yeah, the scoop. All the things that going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, uncover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, yeah, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Spicy, British, London, England. Alright, so people, the queen of dancehall, queen of stage, Spice, had to tell the public really quickly that, you see, when she reach England, when she step over in London, a strictly British are gonna take over. Take a listen.
Let me explain something to you, I don't really understand. When I go to England, yeah, I'm a British. Okay. If you don't know me, and I'm in England, you can't even tell. To be honest, because when I turn my accent up, you know, and I go into the stores and stuff, and I'm talking to the people, you know what I'm saying? I'm straight British over there. You get me? I'm straight British when I travel. When I'm in America, the only time I get real Jamaican is when they're angry. It's when they're upset or when them trouble me, when them lick something on the head and the Jamaican come out of me, come like, I see.
No, you see, this are the Spice of my love. Spice is just absolutely entertaining. No, she need her own reality show. Like, if Spice decides that she's gonna put out the music thing, I hope so she just get her reality show and just like have her best life, because this girl knows how to give good TV. Number 9, Tree Planting Earth Day. Megungu peas. Alright, Barbados. So recently I was invited by the forestry department on their Earth Day execution. They had a whole tree planting adventure, mini hike adventure up at the Blue Mountain Reserves. And trust me, it wasn't me alone who was there. You know, like there were several other social media content creators, influencers, such as Tananya. You had Boya Things, you had TC, yes man, Miss Chocolate Digestive herself, and Boise. And yeah man, we'll go there and we'll plant the tree there, man. We enjoyed the vibe, and it was really great to just like, not like we see a different scenery. Sometimes I'm tired of the little after tree, little crossroads, little downtown life. It's nice to just see, you know, some parts of Jamaica when everybody get access to. And right about now, I'm going to appeal to the government of Jamaica, please to give me a little spot up there upon the Blue Mountain Reserve, because, yeah, man, I must can't have one little cabin up there and enjoy my life.
No, man, I'm tired, man.
Kareem, how you feeling? How you feeling? Come on.
Come on, we can do it.
Remember, you know, you did the Carista games, you know, get inspired, like the Clayton twins. Where's the energy?
I'm going to stop workout, man. I'm stop workout.
That's true.
I can't do this.
Tanani, how you feeling?
I'm tired, bad.
No, man, sure, hold it, man. Sure, hold it. No, see it. Like, sure, go dip on the podium. What TC? Jesus, no, we're leaving TC. Okay, you're here. TC, I hold it. Take out the stone, then?
Yeah, you can take out the stone and then break up the soil.
Break them up in syllables.
Yeah, just break them up so you know, so that when rain fall, it easily go through.
If only this could have worked for money. You know?
And
yeah, you just get a little $5, you just plant it. Yeah, man, and as usual, you know, somebody there for up there and go on with my little antics. And so, you know, I kind of did this little sweet girl music video.
Sweet girl with a bushy up fitness, skin smooth hair, long ass tits. Friends lost to the more, yeah, quick fit. I was a big trick. The girls the one, so let she do what she please with my laptop. The girls the one, ain't got no time for the slap. Jesus, whoa, face beat so sweet, no flaws. girl it won't walk up in your jaws. A pit for pole, a pole pit for all. Like a walk up in your belly as your rain start to fall.
I'm actually planting stuff. You just mind stop. What's wrong with you?
Yeah, man. So once again, thank you so much to the forestry department for the invite, and make sure say if we not keep nothing again, please to invite me, okay? Because that was fun. All right, Barbados. So in the last countdown, I mentioned that it was Cervical Cancer Awareness Month. Well, listen, this week, right about now, it is Pap Smear Week.
No woman should be dying of cervical cancer. Cervical cancer is preventable and treatable thanks to screening. Screening, whether a pap smear or HPV test, offers the best chance of finding cervical cancer early when treatment can be most successful. In fact, screening can also prevent cervical cancer by finding abnormal cervical cell changes so that they can be treated before they have a chance to develop into cancer. As we observe Cervical Cancer Awareness Month, I am now more conscious and concerned about the fact that in Jamaica, we have over 200 women dying each year from this preventable disease. Ladies, since screening is the game changer, I am declaring the week of April 24th to 30th as Pap Smear Week. I'm appealing to you, use the week. You have 5 days, set the appointment, go to your doctor or clinic, do a pap smear, get it done. Our healthcare providers do ensure that for every adult female patient you encounter, you recommend a pap smear. Check up, follow up, live up. Do it for the love of you.
So please visit your doctor and to do the test as soon as you can. All right? Number 8, prank goes wrong. Mabuyaka! All right, Burritos. So I saw this video on TikTok, and it seems to have been a prank that, you know, the Jamaican YouTubers always go up on the road and prank people.
Yo, big man, a prank, big man. Whoa, put up your gun, big man. Put up your gun, big man. A prank, brother.
Okay. Wow. Boy. I mean, let me just say this to the YouTubers, especially the ones who do the pranks. You have to be very careful. I'm sure, you know, we live in a world where you put out the content because you want likes, comments, shares, you want that engagement, you want the wow factor, the spectacle, all of that. But you have to really think about, yo, is it really worth it if your life is going to be lost in the end? Because there have been instances, I don't know if in Jamaica, but there have been instances in the United States and parts of Europe where people have gone on to do pranks like this and end up dead. Them do the pranks them like this and end up dead. If you're going to do this now, it's going to be a real entire prank. You can't expose a licensed firearm holder. You know, or you don't even know if he... Listen, at Jamaica, this anything any card can play. And all I'm just saying is that just be careful with these pranks, because I would hate to do a countdown and forget to mention say there is a prankster that lost their life because of a poor execution like this. Burritos, let me hear what you have to think, have to say about it. Sound off below. Number 7, Rihanna in Barbados. Me umbrella. Okay, so the very beautiful national hero of Barbados, Rihanna, visited her island recently along with her her boyfriend A$AP Rocky. And boy, it's this picture of Rihanna just enjoy the festivities in a fair country. She just went down having a coconut and nobody done business. Them just leave her alone to enjoy her lovely island. I absolutely love this. Rihanna is, I don't know, she just humble. This girl is a walking billionaire and she's just in these streets just like any other regular citizen. I love to see it. And we also, you know, got video and pictures of her and A$AP on the beach. And you see her there, wash her fruits then before she eat it. It was just, I don't know, I just like for Rihanna just be a natural Caribbean girl. She's always been that. From Ponder Replay to now, Rihanna has consistently been herself, even with the superstardom that has come with her success. And so, you know, Rihanna, I'm just hoping to, even though a little drama going with she and A$AP right now, because A$AP apparently is in some murder case, like, I just hope say that gets blown over if he is in fact innocent, so she can focus on having a really safe birth. That's all. Anyway, Burritos, let me know, do you think Rihanna will be having a boy or a girl? Sound off below.
Girl, I won't walk up in. Face be so sweet, no. Sweet.
Watch the ad.
Yeah, without a doubt, I'm going to give it to the Fluffy Empress. The Fluffy Empress took this win. Number 5, Mama 100, me country time. Okay, so Barbados, I absolutely love to see videos with like, you know, like the elders, them interact with their family members. Me just like to see. I found this video with this young lady having a conversation with her grandmother, and guess what? Her grandmother is over 100 years old. Take a look.
The death is wicked, but we miss plenty of them who gone on before.
You look good though, Mama. Look nice though.
Yeah, me look good.
Of course, for 102 weeks.
You stop it. You look bloody good.
You look good. Let them know.
You see, all mama have the vibes. Mama have personality, mama have flair, mama have charm, mama have charisma, because some older man have them type of little something there, so you know some mama did good from a long time, and I know she man great. A long time she have the greatness in her before she turned great grandmother. Like, oh yeah, let me just stop right now, come and know why me I gas up the people them grandma. But we just love to see this, because one of the things is that people feel as if, you know, when somebody gets older, them just kind of lose them charm, like them not have the personality again. And so this lady over 100 years old, 102, is showing that, yo, she's still vibrant, and, you know, she still have the little, you know, the little, she have the oomph there, and I love to see it. Barbados, let me know in the comments below, what was the name or what is the name of your grandmother or great-grand? Sound off below, because I know them did have some name. Number 4, Spice clap back. My word, my sentence. So once again, I'm talking about Spice, because Spice just always keep the festivities happening on fair social media. So anyway, so Spice recently clapped back at a social media user after this man went under one of her posts to say that he never liked the dress that she was wearing. That is what the brother said. So, you know, Spice, who seemed to have had all the time on that day, decided to give the brother the attention that I guess he was looking for. So after the user said, I don't like this dress, nah grace, sad face emoji, Spice official clapped back and said, that's okay, because I don't like it either. But that doesn't mean because you think it, you have to type it. You know why? I bet you wouldn't like if I go over your page right now and comment that I don't like your food. Food for thought. Okay, Spice, I see you with the play on words. So Spice went over and then Spice left. I don't like your head. I don't like the dog. I don't like the food. No, honestly, Spice is Miss Petty Betty. Like, she can be petty. Oh my God. Whatever, say what you will. This is entertaining. But Barbados, let me know, did you agree with Spice's clapback? Would you have done something similar to this, or would I just kind of ignore it? Sound off below. Number 3, Queenie and Duwey split. Jerry Springer. Alright, Barbados, so you know the Instagram couple Queenie and Duwey, they got married over, I think it's over a year ago in Hellshire, and you know the whole excitement and stuff with it going on the beach. No, the couple seems to be going through a rough patch, because Queenie took to social media to hear that Duwey was not staying at their home.
Tell her this, me alone now stay here, sir. And my brains are got 100 miles a minute. I'm ashamed because of what people are going to say. Because my name done out there already, so I'm finally let Trisha. A bad man, you're bad man, because of the love of you see me show your baby father. And as to Duwey and mother, we are constantly tell Duwey to go back to Jamaica. You live America, the two live America, and you never make it possible for Duwey reach. I'm going to take him out of the slum for better himself, and the wall on the turn against.
Then Duwey, he took to social media to reveal that Queenie threw something at him that ended up busting his head.
It's when me and my wife have nothing, and it reach a point wherein she start do her outbursts, and you understand? Me just shut down away wherein me not talk. You get what I say? And due to the fact that me not talk, and it irritate her. You get me, sir?
So in the middle of all of that back and forth and everybody on social media jumping in to give their 2 cents, it seems as if that, I guess, formed the perfect foundation for the reunion and a little bit of unity to take place, because Queenie revealed on her Instagram that Duwey is back home with her.
Where do we have my husband? They won. Yes, it was a journey. Fight for your belief in a Queenie. Stand up and fight for your husband, Queenie, and that's what I do. He's at home in the bed, so I come and get my face beautified for today. Well, we'll break up and we're going to start back fresh by the grace of God. Who God put together, no man tried to put apart the way.
You see? This is exactly why you must leave people business alone. Yeah, that's it. Big up on yourself. I'm done. Number 2, fabulous reporting. My word. Okay, so Barbados. So I don't know if you heard about the story, you know, where several members of, I think it was the Jamaica Constabulary Force, or was it the Jamaica Defense Force? Let me just work with the JCF. So several members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force were fired at while at the Kingston Public Hospital. But you see, TVJ News and CVM TV News couldn't bring that story in time. But let's just bless the heavens that Teddy Fabulous was there to break the story down. Take a listen.
And as I reach there, and Keisha, we know about that dog. Come to the wall and I'm going to turn around. And Keisha, while I was running, I was bumping up in people. When I reach here, I see 4 ladies on my sound and go back. Woo! I'm like, oh, Keisha, I'm going to stand right up. I'm like, Keisha, that's what I'm going to
Let's get slim.
I'm like, go. I'm saying, Jesus Christ, I said, Miss All. I said, Miss All. Jesus Christ. I don't know what happened. Police are all up there. Yeah. And stuff. I want the police to have the stuff. Jesus, I feel so
traumatized.
I am traumatized.
Oh Lord.
I don't even know if I can go home.
No, Teddy, you have to get that all of yourself.
I don't know what is happening.
So what happened to the gunman?
Drank some water.
They're not mixing me.
Yes,
They
mix us with that.
Oh my God.
So you said I'm escaping nearby bushes.
No, why am I so dramatic? Why are Jamaican people so animated? Jesus, people, no. If TVJ they get a hold of this would have to be bite of the week. This has got to be the bite of the week, no, sir? But Barbados, let me know. Do you know anybody as dramatic as this brother there when describing events? Sound off below.
We're gonna do it again somehow. This is Rihanna In Barbados. You're watching Duttyberry social media countdown. Keep it locked and don't move a muscle. Ace.
And number 1 goes to Skeng in My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number 1 goes to Skeng in So, dancehall artist Skeng, the rising brotherhood that is known for hit songs such as this.
You got the curves in the waist, pretty face.
Seems to have gone on tour in England, and trust me, people, I feel as if he's embracing the moment and living in it. He's very present, because after this video of him stepping on stage and the reaction that he got from the crowd went viral, trust me people, this is a brother who is living in his moment.
Skeng down.
Yes, and trust me, you see, after this particular celebrity endorsed him and posted a video with her singing to his song, he is going to be enjoying this moment for life. No, at this rate, I really feel that Nicky want the Jamaican citizenship. But anyway, this particular part of the story now with Skeng now is kind of heartwarming. It seems as if he also recently reunited with his father. No, take a look. No, honestly, I'm not believing this. I do not think that, and I'm father that, because that look like him brother. At most, that look like him big brother. Like, that is it. It give him cousin. Me and you grew up together, you run up. Do you actually feel that this man is Skeng's father? No, man. I want him have him when him at 12. But anyway, burritos, that is it. We've come to the end of another social media top 10 countdown. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button, turn on the post notification, leave a comment down below, also to subscribe. Follow me on my social media, all right here, so, and to send me an email if you want to advertise within the social media countdown, right here. So, okay, take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, him cover all the topics like a him name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, I what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.